Is pretty privilege real? I just finished this short story called The Beauty and the Beast or The Enormous Wound, and I'm still gathering thoughts. I don't know what to feel. So, there is this woman, she's very rich, extremely pretty, Carla de Souza Santos. The D and the E were important. They denoted class and a 400-year-old Rio family. So this Carla woman is approached by a beggar. A man missing a leg, dragging himself along on a crutch, stopped before her and said, "Miss, won't you give me some money so I can eat?" "Help!" she screamed in her head upon seeing the enormous wound in the man's leg. This enormous wound is in the title Beauty and the Beast or the Enormous Wound. So the beast is personified through enormous wound. She's so protected with money and she doesn't step out of the house without help surrounding her that she doesn't know what to do with a beggar. She doesn't know कितना पैसा देना होता है. She has this 500 bill. She just simply hands it over to him. And then you see this trail of thought, what all she keeps on thinking, which is very interesting. This is by Clarice Lispector. ये एक collection में है, The Imitation of Rose. And एक बहुत अच्छा bit भी आता है इसमें. Beauty can be a great thread. Beauty frightens. If I weren't so pretty, I'd have had a different fate. She had always been frightened of things that were too beautiful or too horrible because she didn't inherently know how to respond to them and whether she would respond if she were equally beautiful or equally horrible. और thought process में चले जाती है, फंस जाती है कि ये मेरा हस्बैंड अभी मेरा दूसरा हस्बैंड है, इससे पहले मेरा एक और हस्बैंड था, तो दूसरे हस्बैंड का मुझे मालूम है ये मेरे पे चीट कर रहा है, बट ही इज सो रिच, आई डोंट वांट टू लीव हिम बिकॉज मुझे सोशल सर्कल्स में एंट्री ही मेरे हस्बैंड के थ्रू मिलती है. बट डज दैट मीन कि अगर मेरा दूसरा हस्बैंड है तो मेरा तीसरा हस्बैंड भी हो सकता है? क्या मेरा तीसरा हस्बैंड ये बेगर होगा? कुछ भी चल रहा है शॉर्ट स्टोरी में, एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग इज हैपनिंग. एंड जब वो निकल जाती है, जब वो आगे अपने रास्ते चले जाती है, फिर उसके दिमाग में आता है अरे मैंने इतना दिमाग लगाया इस बेगर पे, मैंने तो उसका नाम तक नहीं पूछा. ऐसे एंड होती है स्टोरी. Do you also know a short story by Clarice Lispector which you think I should read? If so, then please let me know.